Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to learn how to multiply rational expressions. It might sound complicated, but we'll break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. So, what exactly is a rational expression? It is basically a fraction that has polynomials in its numerator and denominator. For instance, you might see something like x plus 1 divided by x minus 2. The fundamental rule for multiplying rational expressions is the same as for regular fractions. You simply multiply the numerators straight across, and then multiply the denominators straight across. That's the main goal. Before we can multiply, the most important first step is to factor every polynomial. This means breaking down each numerator and each denominator into its simplest component parts, like changing x squared minus 4 into x minus 2 times x plus 2. Once everything is factored, look for any factors that are identical in both the numerator and the denominator. These are common factors, and they can be cancelled out. This is like dividing the top and bottom by the same thing. After you have cancelled all the common factors, it's time for the final step. Take whatever is left in the numerators and multiply them together. Then, do the same for the denominators. This gives you the final, simplified answer. Let's walk through a problem. We have 2x plus 4 over x squared minus 9 times x minus 3 over x plus 2. First, we factor everything. This gives us 2 times the quantity x plus 2 over the quantity x minus 3 times x plus 3 times x minus 3 over x plus 2. Now we cancel the common factors, the x plus 2 on the top and bottom, and the x minus 3 on the top and bottom. The only thing left is 2 in the numerator and x plus 3 in the denominator, which is our final answer. Let's practice with another one. The problem is x squared plus 2x minus 15 over x squared minus 25 times x plus 5 over x minus 2. First, we factor. This gives us the quantity x plus 5 times x minus 3 over the quantity x minus 5 times x plus 5 times x plus 5 over x minus 2. Next, we cancel the common factors. We can cancel 1x plus 5 from the top and bottom. Finally, we multiply what's left. The numerator becomes x minus 3 times x plus 5, and the denominator becomes x minus 5 times x minus 2. A very common mistake is trying to cancel out individual terms instead of entire factors. For example, in the fraction x plus 2 over x plus 3, you cannot cancel the x's. The expressions x plus 2 and x plus 3 are the complete factors and must be treated as whole units. You can only cancel if the entire factor is identical on the top and bottom. So, to wrap it all up, just remember these 3 simple steps for multiplying rational expressions. First, factor all the polynomials completely. Second, cancel out any and all common factors. And third, multiply the remaining pieces straight across. That's all there is to it.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.